Hello everyone, I hope you must doing well. So this is the overview video of creation a 3D logo in which we will model 3D objects with different shapes and will also going to use different modifiers and with their different settings. Okay. As part of this series, what we are going to do, we are going to model the 3D icon from scratch. Alright, which will cover all the basic workflow and as well as we are also going to model a mushroom and a tree. Okay, and after that what we are going to do, we are going to place and visualize the final scene. In addition, we are going to tell you how to set up the camera at the right angle and various camera's properties also described in this videos. Okay, and also focusing on lights, right, like how to place them at the right location so that we can get a right and good results. Okay, and I hope so you will enjoy this learning process, and even I'm also waiting for your answer to this series of 3D logo creation. Alright, I hope you enjoy all the videos that are coming out soon, and you can ask any question in the comment section in order, and any suggestion is always welcome. Therefore, let's finish this video and bye bye.